Make a great choice today with the 2016 INFINITI Q50. Q50 has elevated design expression by breaking all the design rules. Along with the signature appearance, it also comes with power. The breathtaking performance of INFINITI's Q50 engine leaves nothing to be desired. The engine block is crafted out of aluminum alloy to help reduce weight and increase responsiveness, giving you incredible power and a truly thrilling drive. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, rear-wheel drive, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.